So we got this situation to handle. Let f be the function such that f of xy equals f of x by y for all positive real number x and y. If f of 20 is equal to 15, then find f of 50. Now look at this, how I will approach this question. So first I know that I have to manage two functions together. I have to manage this person and I have to manage this person. Okay. So what I wish to do is I will treat this person as this one and I will create this one, and which will look like 50. Okay. So look at this, how I will approach towards this question. So my point is replace x with 20. Now think about y. What should be the value of y so that after multiplying with 20 it will become 50? Means you have to eradicate that 20, means it should divide 20 completely, and remainder should be 50, means you should leave 50. So don't you think we should go with y as 50 by 20? That 20 and x will be neutralized and we will be left with 50 and things are done. Correct? So look at this, on the left hand side we will be left with f50 and on the right hand side we will be left with f20 upon 50 by 20. Now, do you know who is f20? F20 is nothing but 15. So 15, 20 by 50. Now you can play fruit ninja. This thing gone. This thing gone. We are left with 6. Therefore, the value of f50 is nothing but 6. I hope you guys are connecting the dots and you guys are upgrading your preparation level. Okay.